Craig Powers with Ausitn Truck Centers here in Austin, Indiana. We just wanted to showcase our new Sage Vac oil system that we have just recently acquired here at this location. It's going to give us the abilities to go to our customers directly at their location, cleanly service their trucks, and get them back on the road without them having to bring them to us or hire drivers to shuttle them back and forth, or people just waiting for 2-3 hours for the trucks to be done. We can do it conveniently right there at your lot, and there's no wait. We can do it after hours, so there's no downtime. Yep, so just to kind of show you the compartments here. So in that door there, that's where we would put our used filters at. They would drain inside of there, and then the system can vacuum up any old oil or old fuel to be stored inside those tanks, so there's no spills or messes that way. Everything is on a quick reel, so that it's easy to grab and come out to your truck, so we can hook it up to drain the oil, and then we also have the quick reel for the clean oil to fill your truck. We are using a digital meter that has been calibrated for the clean oil, so we know exactly what we're putting in your truck, and obviously we will always double check the dipstick to make sure she's full. We're utilizing an 18-gallon drain cart. Not that it will ever need 18-gallon drain cart, but that allows us to make sure that we can catch all the oil without no messes or spills in the parking lots. And it's equipped with shut-off valves and also quick connect for our vacuum system. If you'd like to learn more about our mobile oil unit, or even inquire about an estimate for a mobile service at your location, give us a shout here at the Austin, Indiana location, and we can get you a quote, or look us up online at www.ausitntrucks.com.